Alright, so this is going to be the solution to the fourth problem in the grind 75, best time to buy and sell stock. So this is actually going to be a quick video because the solution I made in my attempt was the right answer. There's just some minor detail that I want to point out. So we'll actually rephrase or say the problem description again. So basically we're going to be given this array, an array of some type, and we want to find the maximum difference between two numbers where the smaller number must come before the larger number. So just really quickly, 1 and 6 is the maximum difference where the minimum number 1 comes before the maximum number 6. And even though we have a maximum difference here of 6, the minimum number continuously comes after every number before it. So our output will be 0. And if we look at the solution that I came up with, which you can also view in the last video, it seems to be, it's correct. We account for the base case. We have these minimum maximum counters. And then we start on the second element. And if that element is less than our current minimum, then we'll update our minimum. But this is a bit convoluted. And whenever I see, an if statement and an if else statement, you can be sure that there's some way to condense that. So if we look at what's actually happening, we're comparing this to that, and that's really all we have to do actually. We don't have to check if price is greater than minimum. What we have to do is if it's greater than maximum, because if it's greater than maximum, then it's most definitely going to be greater than minimum. So what we should have condensed this down to is prices minus minimum greater than maximum? And then all we would have to done, or all we would have to do is this right here, and that should work. And maximum equals where difference is prices at I minus minimum. And let's just confirm that this works. And as we can see, yeah, it works. So key takeaway, make sure to condense logic whenever possible, especially if you see nested if statements.